Hello again. It's new exhaust day. Now this one needed a new exhaust, the other one was a bit ropey, so we're throwing it away and I bought the cheapest one I could find. Now I've opened this already. I ordered black. I thought black would go nice with that, so that you get nice shiny stainless steel downpipe, clamps, gaskets and gubbins, and you get one black starter. Yeah, that looks black, great, but we'll put it on anyway. I'm sure it'll look fine. I'm sure it's going to look great on there. After a bit of patina on it, it'll start looking nice anyway. Right, but this is the cheapest you can find. So we'll get it all fitted up. Let's see what it sounds like. Right, so there's the first issue. Because obviously it doesn't work with this type of swing arm. I did think it wouldn't. I'm going to have to trim that off. Leave it just a pipe. Bolt back in. There we go, trim that off. Now let's put it on. I've got those ones on finger tight just for fitment. Let's see where he's lined up. You get 3 holes in there, 6 holes in there, 3 bolts, so you've got plenty of adjustment of where you want it. One is near enough the top, and then there's the lowest point up there. Alright, so it's going to be slightly up. There we go, that way. Cool. One gasket, 3 bolts. No washers. No washers, no spring washers, nothing. Just bolts. I'll get some washers. Right, there we go. I think I should. Looks alright, silver. That'll do. Kind of wish it was black, but silver will do. Clears it, sits on there nicely. And for the price, I'm happy with that. Right, let's see how this starts. I haven't started it for a long time. There she goes. That didn't sound too bad. Not for the the cheapest thing I could find. I think it was like 20 quid. Stainless steel downpipe, all the gaskets, everything else ready to go. I burnt myself. Yeah, so after I sort out my do a bit of carburetor playing. I haven't been able to start since I've done the rebuild, and I've not been able to start and run it properly because the exhaust had a massive hole in it. I mean, the silencer rattled. That was covered in paint, and last but not least, you had, you see, yeah, massive crack there. Another one on the other side. There's holes elsewhere as well. I think these ones didn't really make a difference. I don't think they actually go through to the pipe. I think that's like a, just to support the flange. But cracked on both sides, so skip hole. But yeah, okay. Apparently that removes. It's hot, I'm not doing it. But when you look at it, it still clears through anyway. So I don't think it actually makes a difference with that in or out. But I think I'll take it out anyway, just for the sake of it. Yeah. Let me know what you think. So a couple last little jobs to do. I've got brakes which don't work. That brake switch don't work. Got to change these over because that's knackered, but I've got a spare set over there in the silly little scrap pile. There's a spare set of them over there. I'll change over both grips. And what else is wrong with this one still? It's on the steering yoke. It's got a brand new steering yoke in it. And you see me fitting the yoke the other day. So there you go. As you can see, I just cut off that one bracket just so it fit, because the bracket's supposed to mount, if you've got standard GY6 or the 139QMBs, it would bolt onto that bracket there. But with the, if you've got the twin swing arm one with the extra support there, obviously it can't go there. Let me have a look at my other bike, hold on. There you go. So if you had the standard exhaust like this one with a single swing arm, that'll bolt up to there, and that'll be your support bracket. And then you can use, obviously we've got the silencer bracket for the other one. So the silencer bracket's holding that one in place. Surplus requirements. Oh well, bin. Watch him. These are clean again. My cat's figured out they can get under the covers and hide from the rain. Pain in the asses. But we've got to get these both in for an MOT soon. I've got to get them cleared out of the garden because I keep seeing other bikes for sale and I'm not allowed them because I still have these stuck here. So once these are gone, we'll have more to play with. Yeah.